Hi, Suzy Rhodes with Past Masters here with this week's definition. This week we're going to cover the term Roth IRA. The definition for a Roth IRA will help you with the following exams: Series 65, Series 66, Series 6, Series 7, and the SIE exam. Let's look at the definition. A Roth IRA is an individual retirement account that may only be funded by individuals with earned income who do not earn too much. The phase out for a person's adjusted gross income will vary each year. Roth IRAs are always funded with after-tax dollars. If a distribution is made from a Roth that has been open for a minimum of 5 years and that is paid out on or after age 59 and a half, then the earnings are tax-free. So that is one of the biggest benefits of having a Roth IRA. If you meet the distribution requirements, the earnings are tax-free. Roth IRAs are not subject to the required minimum distribution rules. The contributions made into a Roth IRA may be taken out at any time, no tax, no penalty. Let's practice some questions. Which statement is not correct regarding a Roth IRA? Contributions may be withdrawn at any time, tax and penalty free. That's true. Earnings may be withdrawn tax-free if the account has been open a minimum of 5 years and the earnings are paid out on or after age 59 and a half. That's also true. Contributions may be made regardless of income. That's false, but read the last choice. There are annual contribution limits. That is true. So not everybody can directly fund a Roth IRA. You don't need to worry so much about what is the limit, but you need to know that there is a limit so that not everyone can directly fund a Roth IRA. If they earn too much, they can't fund the Roth IRA. So for some examples, $30,000 a year. Does that sound like too much? No, not enough. $300,000 a year. Is that probably too much? Yes, that would be too much to fund a Roth IRA for that tax year. Let's try another one. Regarding using earnings in a Roth IRA towards homebuyer expenses, which is true. We didn't directly talk about this. Let's learn something new. The account must have been open at least 10 years. There is a limit of up to $10,000 that may be withdrawn tax-free. That's true. There is a limit of up to $25,000 that may be withdrawn tax-free. The expenses may be related to the purchase of any home. No, it is specific for first-time homebuyer expenses. So the IRS will allow a distribution of earnings from a Roth IRA of up to $10,000 income tax-free if the account has been open at least 5 years and the money is being used for first-time home buyer expenses. This includes the first home of a child, spouse, grandchild, or parent. It also applies if you or your spouse haven't owned a principal residence during the previous 2 years. Let's do one more. Mariah first contributed to her Roth IRA 3 years ago. Her contributions total $15,000. Her current account balance is $16,000. Mariah is 47 years old. If Mariah were to withdraw the entire $16,000 balance, which is correct regarding her tax consequences, $16,000 taxable as ordinary income plus a 10% penalty? No. $1,000 taxable as ordinary income plus a 10% penalty on the entire withdrawal? No. $15,000 is tax-free. Those are her contributions. Remember, Mariah put in the money in after-tax dollars. $1,000 taxable as ordinary income plus a 10% penalty. That is correct. The last choice, zero tax liability, is incorrect. So her age, she's under 59 and a half, and the account has not been open for a minimum of 5 years. That causes the $1,000 in earnings to be taxable as ordinary income plus a 10% penalty. Don't forget, it's like a glorified savings account. Your contributions into a Roth IRA can be withdrawn at any time, no tax, no penalty. That's it for this week's definition, Roth IRA. If you have any questions, just ask me in the comments below. If you'd like to check out our course offerings or to enroll in any of our programs, there is a link found in this video's description. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to have you as a student soon. Happy studies! You got this.